CS Trades 101, the Wolf Pack. So I just wanted to say I messed up this morning. I pushed the wrong button and it launched the wrong stream link. We have another stream link set up there. If you haven't looked at the channel, AMC Bigums, we're going on live with on Froggy's channel. So I just wanted to put that out there. So sorry about the mess up this morning. I know I have Wolfpack running all over the place this morning. That link is getting deleted as we speak. So I'm just going to pull up our back screen here. Give me a second, get set up here this morning. I was a little bit rushed this morning. I was talking to Mediocre behind the scenes there. And yeah, it's all good. Did I hook the right one up this morning? I'm just going to see if I have. I'm just going to. There we go. Dope. Okay, just double checking stuff for you, my friends, to make sure that it is running. We're going to put the chat overlay on here this morning, get everybody in here. So, there's the AMC stuff. I was looking for that this morning. Good morning, Diana. Welcome. Hey, new Wolfpack member here. She's over on the server. We're all glad to have you. Cheers. Good morning. Coffee. Nothing but coffee and some vapage this morning. So make sure my strings are even here and get the OCD thing going on this morning. So yeah, wow, everything's just hang on. I like to have that TV. You guys said you like the TV on behind you, so or behind me. So anyways, we're gonna have Mediocre on in about 10 minutes. I'm going to bring him on. I'm going to bring him on about 10 minutes. We're going to go through some stuff here in the mornings. If anybody does want to come on with us this morning, just ask us in the chat bar. It'll be like that every morning now. If you don't want to, it doesn't really matter to us what if you want to or not. We're just putting it out there. We just want to get more involved in with the sub base and YouTube in general and these platforms. Okay. So what I will do is I'm going to jump into just bring up some stocks here this morning for you, my friends. I'm going to do a screen share for you. I'm just going to do it into the basic stuff here this morning and get us set up. And then we'll bring Mediocre in here and go through some more stuff. I just wanted to show you what pre-market, what we're looking at here. I'm just going to take this stuff over there. Okay, so AMC this morning I'm using the 1 minute chart. I'm using Webull. Don't recommend buying stocks over there. As you know, I can't because I'm a Canuck. So I can't do that stuff. Anyways, and I just want to say one thing. If you do own shares through Robinhood or Webull, this is what I would do. Read between the lines. When you're selling your shares, to sell these things first, get rid of them, get them off the table, because there could be liquidity problems with them. Okay, we don't know, but we're just going off of past. As you know, we are classed as stock squeeze experts on social media platforms. We are ranked one of the top out there, as we do have a lot of things that will benefit you in the squeeze. Okay, and that is in any squeeze. We're covering AMC, GME, but if there's a squeeze that is happening, we'll be all over at our channel. Okay, our main base, what the channel is branched off of, the main core is that we're here to help people. Okay, and we've done that over and over and over. Okay, and that's what we take pride in on this channel. Okay, so I see where AMC is sitting at $20.39, 1.37 in pre-market right now. You're in the green. Okay. GME 156.64. We are 0.45 in the red. Not much. We're in a fractional in the red. Sporadic volume going on here, as you can see. You can see this dotting, all this pixelizations. That is low volume. Okay, so if you see that on a stock, that's one of the things I look for right away. So yeah, Mediocre's in the chat right now. He's sitting on the sidelines in the studio right now, hanging out, waiting for us. I just want to do an intro here. This right here, HYMC. I'm not going to get too much into this stuff. What we're going to do is just touch down on this stuff lightly because we're going to start jumping into some news, more news for you guys. Okay. Can you tell me if everybody watches these streams on YouTube and is Diana, I will answer that question. WebEx has a chat in it, okay? Or it's our chat. It's a 24-hour chat, and it is for meetings. That's where our live meetings. We're gonna have a meeting this morning. We're having a test run this morning. We're just testing our software out. We do that because we're professionals at that stuff, and we nail it 100% last time. It's just we're gonna be doing this. We've added some new software to it. So we're going to test some stuff. I'm going to be on YouTube live when I do, or what time do they have that stream link set? Actually, I forgot to actually talk to the mods on that. Just give me 1 sec. Thank you, Diana. That's awesome. I just want to double check something here. I don't know what time Christopher has it set. We can always override that, but just give me a second. That's a beautiful thing here. I'm just checking my email. Oh, you should get, if you want to go through email notification, or you can just join. Oh yeah, he has it set. Oh, from 9. Okay, from 9. We won't be live at that time. It's fine, but what we're going to do is just run a test meeting. You can go through the email link, okay? Or you can just join through the server. Either one. We're just testing both software out, okay? So thank you. Awesome question. Just make sure that you got your email, okay? Check your spam because we have email trackers on there. We know if you guys got the email or not. We've put some new software to it, okay? We've tagged it. Yeah, that's right. Yep, you got her. Yeah, that's right. 9. Yeah, there's 3 hours difference. You got her, girl. You're a smart one. You're getting her. It's a little bit confusing. Oh, read Jay's comment here. I'm going to jump into this. So anyways, I just wanted to look at some stuff. So I'm not going to get into anything crazy here. I'm going to bring Mediocre into the studio now. So I just wanted to touch bases with you and get us all set up. We are working on I do want to get AB Investments in here. So obviously he listens here. I'll smash the mic. Sorry about that, guys, with headphones in. So AB Investments, I did reach out to him yesterday on his live chat. He says that he is going to look into it as in he wants to come on with us. I'll leave that up to him. He's a fine young man. He does know his stuff. So I would love to have him on here. Definitely we have something to offer him, and he has something to offer us as a good friendship. So I do really respect that young man. I say young because I'm way older than him. Yeah, I know it sucks. I wish I was back to that age again. And knowing what I know now. So anyways, we'll leave it at that. We're going to bring the notorious mediocre trader in here. Brother.
What's up?
What's up?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Tired.
So you're sitting on the sidelines there. I've seen you sitting there for a bit. I'm just going through. I just brought the chart up here. What I'm going to do is let's get into some news. This is what I do in the mornings, and I'm pretty sure that Mediocre does the same thing when you're doing day trades, even with just day trades in general. We're kind of slowing it back on the day trade thing. We're going to still do it, but a lot of us are involved in AMC, and I just wanted to say that we are very strong in AMC, and I just don't want to get the feeling out there that we're trying to divert you off of AMC. No,
that's absolutely not. That's not my goal at all.
Yeah. So not that maybe you guys thought of that, but I thought of that. I have to think of these things. So that's not our idea. Okay. We're just trying to keep it. Okay. These are the most watched ticker symbols. Okay, AMC battles stream 10s, the biggest weapon. Oh, I got to see this one. 5. Well, that's 5 days ago. What's with this stuff? Oh, because I'm on AMC. Oh, never mind. I'm going to go to AMC. Sorry about that, guys. 19 hours ago. We'll check out whales or okay, let's check out this one. We noticed today that the big positions show up publicly available options history that we have tracked on the Benzinga. Okay. I'm scanning it because if it doesn't mean anything, I haven't gone through this stuff. I like to do this stuff live. So this is just puts and calls on AMC. Bearish, bullish, neutral. Okay, it doesn't really mean anything. So I don't really see anything on that aspect. I'm just going to go through a couple things and I'm going to give the floor over to Mediocre here to go through some stuff. I'm just scanning the news articles. So what I'm trying to do is try to show you the system that I use. I go through the news. Bloomberg I use too, but it's kind of hard. That stuff's like, I can't broadcast Bloomberg on here. It's like, it's copyrighted, right? So I just want to be very careful what we do here. I don't really. Oh, here. This is keeps on coming up. One day ago, Starbucks entering NFTs business this year. For it is Starbucks AMC. So major theater chains AMC gave 86,000 Spider-Man NTFs to members of the AMC Stub Premier. AMC Sub list the AMC Investor Connect to who purchases tickets in advance. Okay, so I did see this come up. Actually, one of our subs, Mr. L, brought this up the other day. I just didn't have any information on it, but now it's out there. So I just wanted to say that this was on the 4th. Okay. The CEO Howard brought this out sometime before the end of the calendar year. We're going to be in the NFT business. Okay, so it's official. It is official now. That's going to happen. That's friggin' nuts. Why it matters. The NFT boom last year caught the attention of several big name brands across multiple industries, and that's true 100%. Okay, my friends. Go ahead. Do you have anything else, Mediocre? Do you have anything else to say or?
I personally, I'm not a fan of NFTs, but
Okay.
I
Yep.
don't. If it's going to help AMC, I'm okay with it. But no, I'm not really a fan, to be honest. Just like crypto. What I said about crypto. I've only messed with crypto for 3 weeks. I just, I don't know. I'm not knocking anybody's stuff. I'll sit on the sidelines and watch. I'll put it that way.
Hey, man. I like your style. Hey, there's nothing wrong with that. And that's why you're on this show, is because you're very open and honest about stuff like that. The NFT thing, if it supports AMC, I'm the same way. I think, I was told NFTs, who was it that told me I can get them up here? Somebody did tell me because I was under the impression I couldn't because I'm Canadian, but I was told I can. So I'm going to look into that. I don't know if I'm going to, like I said, purchase any. I don't know, but I can tell you one thing. I'm going to keep on buying AMC. I can tell you that right now.
I want to
And
give a shout out to Miss Harris for doing such a good job. I really appreciate you and
is
the
Ma
froggies.
is Ma on here again this morning?
Yeah, she's on here.
Oh, we got you up earlier this morning, Ma. Thank you, Ma. We're launching a little bit earlier this morning. I know this caught people off guard. They're probably not even waiting for the show till 20 after. I can tell by the amount of people that are in here. We're switching it up earlier because we want to get out there and get some news and stuff out there before the market opens. Myself and Mediocre sat down and discussed this off scenes the other day that we're getting too close to market open. We can't get stuff set up. It's too much of a crunch. If there's a big news article or we have guests coming on, it's too much. It's too much. Like we noticed that with KC yesterday. I just, yeah. So, yeah.
Now, Pantheon is not Ape Radio. Pantheon has his own radio show on YouTube.
Yeah,
If you
that's right.
search Pantheon on YouTube, you'll find him.
Yeah, that's right. T is a member. He's a member of our channel for a long time. You'd have to ask Pantheon that stuff as he's on our server. You can write him a message, my friend T. So, good morning, everybody, and I'm gonna give the floor to you. I'm gonna pull my chart down here. mediocre. I'm going to let you do it. I'm going to go over and hit us up on Reddit here and get us over on Reddit and over to Wall Street Breakers. As you know, we're number one affiliate of that group. I watch where I put my stuff on Reddit. Okay. I have nothing against it. It's just that there's certain groups that do certain stuff. Okay. That group I've worked with since day one. They helped me build my channel. Likewise, back to them, I've supported them. That is Wall Street Breakers. Okay, the link is down below. And PVI is the mod over there. Awesome person. And if you notice when you go into Wall Street Breakers, you'll see number one affiliate, CS Trades 101. And all of our content is pasted over there automatically. Like we're already over there right now, launched. Okay, I just want to be very clear on that. And CS Trades 101 on Reddit. I have my own group. It's very small. We just launched it. We're trying to get all over the place. Okay, just to get awareness. Okay, there you go, bro. I'll pull down my chart for you. The floor is all yours. I'll be back in a little bit here. I'm just going to be off doing some work on the side.
I just want to let Sanjay know that I've got my eye on him. I'm watching him.
Oh yeah, yesterday he was you're falling. Yeah, he was bugging you, falling asleep. Hey, I've
He's
had
a funny guy.
early. That's funny. I caught that play. Go ahead, bro.
Nah, I'm just kind of sitting here chatting with you guys, looking at chat, drinking my coffee, taking it easy this morning. But let me have a quick look and see what we're looking at, see how close we're getting here. Oh, we got a couple minutes. We got 10 minutes or so, 15 minutes for market open.
Yeah, this is perfect timing, bro. We nailed it. Like, I like this new style that we did. We're just gonna have to wait for a bit, about 3 days, and then all the Wolfpack and all the members will catch on to what we've done because we switched it up big time. Go ahead, bro.
Nah, yeah. So Trey put out another video last night. I'll say that. Yesterday I was saying that Trey never said to buy puts because he didn't in the video that I watched, but he put out another video yesterday saying exactly that. I brought it up to Cam, and I'm like, man, I look like a jack, you know? That's no bueno. So, yeah, I guess he did end up saying something similar to that, but he doesn't tell anybody to trade that. He's just saying in general. What he was saying was to hedge your position if you know how to hedge your position, right? Because that's basically what options were made for, to hedge a long position or a short position. That's why they were created in reality, but we don't use them that way, and that's on us. And he was really trying to say is people should use them that way. I don't know if that's a good idea. If you don't know options, I say you should kind of learn options before you jump in. I just want to be transparent about that, you know. And that's all I really got to say about it. What do you think about that? You didn't see the video, did you?
No, I didn't. I was busy yesterday, to be honest with you. I didn't have time actually, and I just wanted to tell all Wolfpack members I'm only going to be on Froggy's channel for about a half an hour today. It's that time of year. I have to take my wife in for her blood tests. She's been in remission for 12 years now from cancer, and every year you have to go in for blood tests to check your blood to see if it's back or to see what your white blood cell count is. So yes, this is the most stressful time of year for me. So it is what it is. I'm going to be on for a half an hour. And then I'm not going to be on, but I'm going to leave this stream open. Okay. Like I do. So you guys can just hang out on the channel and talk. My heart's with you guys. And ladies, it is what it is. So I feel bad about not being able to the stream. I wasn't going to come on at all. My she's like, why wouldn't you? We have a half an hour. So she loves you guys too. So she was watching, she was watching from the other room the other day when I was on there on our TV. So I didn't know she was watching our stuff. So yeah, she caught me on that one. She's like, that's your family. So why don't you go and talk to them for a half an hour? So yeah, I'll be on a half an hour. No disrespect to you all. Like I wish I could be on longer, but I got to drive an hour and a half to the hospital There's a certain clinic that we have to go to. So enough about that. She's fine. She's fine. Okay. I just wanted to tell you because I always share this information with you guys, right? I've always said that from day one, that I will always say that, like, talk to you guys, but I'll never lie to you about stuff. Okay. And if I do make a mistake, I'll always come back and correct it if I know it's a mistake. Okay. So, and I'll stay true to that forever. Okay. Did I
So
hear a bleep? Go
somebody
ahead.
in the chat was asking if I show, like, I posted a couple of images of the SPY this morning, and they wanted me to just kind of go over it real quick and what I was looking at. And I'm just going to give you a basic what I was looking at real quick.
Yeah. Oh, you got your chart up. Sorry, I heard a bleep. That usually means that we have a guest coming in. And I didn't see your chart. Sorry, I'm gonna finish doing my stuff. Rip her up there, mediocre. It's all you.
So here, let me pull up my chart so I could get my cursor on there for you guys. All right, see this fib level right here, this 50% level it says right here. So as you can see, all I was pointing out was that people who say technical analysis doesn't work, I mean, you guys just look at this and explain this. Why is this sitting on my yellow line up here? It drops down, sits on this yellow line, drops down again, sits on the 50% Fibonacci line. That's really all I was pointing out to you guys, so you guys can actually see that charting does work. Okay, you're not going to get it 100% correct every single time, but if you can learn charting and technical analysis, you're going to do well. So as you can see, the RSI is pointing down. The MACD is crossing. It's above the 0% line on the SPY, but this is live right now. So market opens coming. We can actually watch it in 5 minutes, but I'll click on AMC and give you a rundown on that real quick. It's right here. No, it's bigger over here. Just do that. Same thing here, We're basically up on this line. We drop through the box here. It tests the box right here. See it comes down, test the top of this box, test it before it breaks down through the box. Boom, right onto our line. Comes up, test the box, pulls back into the box, test the box again, pulls back. We're heading back down. That's where we're at. I mean, it's pretty obvious, I think, but I try to just put the information out there, and I'm not a financial advisor. I just showing you what I see on the chart, and that's all I could really do, And I don't know. That's with that. We'll just wait for market open and see what's going on. If you guys got any questions, we could take them.
Yeah, beautiful, man. That's awesome. That's awesome, buddy. Cam even mixed up genders. I know, but I can't tell because your avatars. Dana. Yes, I got it. I got it. I got it. I won't mess up on that again. Yeah, I mess up once in a while. It's just you have to realize I'm on this tiny little chat bar um, on this new program here. It's really hard to read unless I pull it up on the screen. So my apologies on that. Totally. I'm just going to go through some questions here. I'm going to pull down your chart there, mediocre. Are you okay
Hang
with
on one
that?
second.
Okay, go ahead.
I wanted
Yep.
to touch base. So I have this wedge coming down here. I got my wedge line here, and we broke through that wedge line. That doesn't mean it's going to break up, but as you can see, we're charting past this wedge line. So I'm waiting to see if we get a break above this. Now, we could run up today, maybe get back up to this $23 range, or at least this 22.72 level. But I'm not going to move this until later. If we stay in this box, I'll try and reorganize this line because we broke through it here and we didn't actually get to move. Well, we did get to move here. See, it pushed up, but it got up to 21.47 and pulled back. So that could happen. We could come right back up and go up again. I'm not sure. So we're going to watch this today, see what happens. But that's what I'm looking at.
Right on,
Go ahead
buddy.
and pull it down now.
Yeah. Not a problem. Right on. That's awesome, guys. Killer stuff. I like it. Okay, I'm just going to go through. I'm going to pull up this chat here on the side so I can read your guys' and ladies' comments here. Okay. Good. You're razzing me in the morning. I love it. So we usually razz Cameron first thing in the morning, get it out of the way, just wind him up. Usually that's what Sanjay does here.
He razzles you all day long. He don't
Oh,
care what time it
buddy.
is.
Oh, he has to. He has to. He has to.
He's
Uh,
funny.
he is funny. How the hell can he pronounce? Oh yeah, and Christy, all my mods do. It's just part of our thing.
I'm gonna start
Thank
wearing my sunglasses so I can kind of nod off without you guys
Yeah,
noticing it
yeah,
all.
there you go. I felt for you yesterday. That's what happens. Most people don't even get up when we're up. Okay. We're dealing with two different time zones here, and I just wanted to say it's a little bit of a shock. Um, like I was falling asleep. Well, not falling asleep, but I was tired yesterday. Like I I went for that drive, and I was talking to you guys on my truck off the flat screen. I was typing, which you're probably not supposed to be doing, but I wish they would more advanced. Where I wish my truck was the year newer, because there's a chip that you can get where you can blast YouTube on there and you can voice talk to it. It's kind of neat, but I just don't have that capability yet. Good morning, mods. Good morning, Christopher. Good morning, Warren, Mr. L, Sanjay. Um, Christy, good morning. All the mods are here. A lot of blue wrenches flying around here this morning. Um,
So
and
Cam,
Go
what
ahead.
I did in my Discord too, just
Oh yeah, talk to me. Yeah.
I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, you didn't. Go ahead.
I created a new channel for YouTubers, right? So like Casey Shaw, remember he was asking about
Yeah.
Discord because
Yeah.
it's easier. So he can go jump into my Discord. All we gotta do is join that channel and live stream, and he'll be able to come through on the mic that way. You don't need a video up here. You follow what I'm
Oh,
trying to say? So I locked that channel so only YouTubers could go in there, and we could bring
okay.
who we want in there if we want to interview somebody, whatever. But that's what I did to make it a bit easier.
Thank you, brother. That's funny. We must think alike, because we did the same thing. Actually, it was Mr. Pantheon that brought that up on our server there the one day, a place to put stuff, and he's in the chat right now. Welcome, brother. Hopefully, you're having a good day today, there, sir. Wolfpack, go check us. If you're new Wolfpack members, I know the pack's pretty much over there all the time. Go check the guy's channel out, Pantheon's
Good morning,
channel.
Pantheon. The bell just rang. It's time to trade. I'm gonna go look, see what's going on.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go in there, and if you need me to screen share, just tell me. I'm just going to go through some comments here. Do you want to go look at some stuff on your chart there, and then if you need me, just give me the signal, and I'm just going
Yeah,
to go through.
go ahead. You do you. I just want to watch for
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah,
first
for
couple
sure, for
minutes
sure.
and see what's happening and check
I'm
a
just
few
going through
things.
some questions here. Okay, I do have one question that I missed, and I don't like missing them. But we're getting going fast here. Good morning, Jeffrey. Good morning, all you Wolfpack traders out there, and just traders in general. It is what I'm just trying to. I seen a question here. Stock screener I use. Okay, the stock screener I use is for a reason. I use Webull because it has one of the best algorithm readers out there. I'm looking for that algorithm vibration. Okay. A lot of stock screeners will just go like this and they'll move. This one will actually levitate and then bang and go. I've studied every one of them, pretty much every one of them out there that is available for Canada and the States. Um, and that's the only one. I do not support them in any other way. I just strictly use that. I pull their name even off of it. And I put my own stuff on there, not in a legal way, but I'm just saying because it's for self stuff. I can't buy stocks anyways through it. Not that I would. So I just want to be very clear on that. And this is one of our squeeze tools that we use. I'm going to share one of them with you out there. Usually this stuff is a lot of it is kept just for the server for personal use, but I'm going to share something with you. Notice how I ever said when this squeezes, um, use the same stock screener as your broker. Okay. If you can, because there's such thing as called internet lag, internet choking. Okay. There's ping problems when it pings off of certain, it has to do a ping to reply. That's how it talks, the internet. Okay. Your computer talks to the servers and stuff. Okay. There's delays. That's the bottom one I'm getting to. That delay can be a while. Okay. You might not know that, but when you are selling with your broker, you should have it on your same device. Do not use different devices. Okay. That's a little tip I'm going to give you this morning. I'm going to be throwing these little tips out once in a while. So that's the tip this morning. And I just wanted to say that. Okay. 100%. So just be careful. Some of them got 15-minute delays. So be very careful on that stuff. Okay. And we got some questions actually. Pantheon's throwing some DD out there this morning. You're up all bushy-tailed this morning, brother. You do need to keep an eye on Sanjay. Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
DWAC is starting to move up
Is it? Okay. I'll be over
a
there
little
one
bit.
second, my friend. I'm just going to, I did see something come up.
Doesn't have a ton of volume, but it is moving a little bit.
Okay. I am going to, I do want to bring something. I'm sorry if I can't bring all your comments up. This platform's a little bit different. We've kind of pushed Streamlabs aside right now because I can't bring people on here. I did see something that I just wanted to. Mr. Pantheon answered a question, and I did want to cover that because we're trying to get all this information out. I don't see it. Sorry about that, guys.
HYMC is moving up a little bit, but
Okay.
it has very low volume as well.
Did you want that up on your chart? Do you want to pull that up and have a look at it?
No, I
Are you good
mean,
with that? Okay, you're just mentioning.
yeah.
Okay, okay. I just wanted to. I just wanted to take care of that. Okay, here's some love going out here. Oh yeah, boss is the bomb. Boss blunts.
Yeah, the SPY even has low volume on it today. Let me look at the. I'm looking at the 30-minute chart. We got
Do you want it over?
no
Do you want your
volume.
chart?
No, we're good. I just
Oh, okay,
kind of
okay. I thought you give me the
kind of
hint
gonna go
here.
to the 5-minute and see
Yeah,
what
yeah,
we got.
yeah, for sure.
Oh, it's got some volume on the 5-minute, but the 30-minute there's really nothing.
I know. I'm seeing AMC. I'm just going to do a broadcast out here. So yeah, Kevin, this is what I was trying to find. It took me this long to find your and the settings I use for my okay settings. See, there you go. I use the MA and the EMA. Okay, I use the VWAP. Those are just what I use. Those are always on my chart. Okay, not that I. Hi Diaz. Um, I I use that stuff all the time. It's always on there. It doesn't matter what I'm doing. I just want to be very clear. I do not swing trade AMC. Okay. I don't really believe in that. And
DWAC's
the whole,
making a big move, a good move to the upside.
what's that, brother?
DWAC making a good move to the upside for
Let's
sure.
bring it up on the chart. Let's bring that up so it can show everybody. I'm going to pull your chart up here. I'm going to pull this chat off here. So Wolfpack, we're going to go through. Mediocre's going to go through this. He's going to show. This is uh, which one? Thinkorswim.
Yeah, Thinkorswim.
Okay, that's his stock stream, Thinkorswim. It's free to download. Okay.
Just hope it holds here and then we head back up. I'd like to see it get back up to at least $65. You know, take a break, but we're down. We're sitting at 49.42 basically. When it moved up quite a bit, we were at $47. It rose up what $2 already. You know, we got
That's
a
not
hold.
bad. Look
Right
at
now
that
it's getting
candle.
oversold, but we're up on the MACD here, heading up in the green, and it's spread. So we'll see what happens. I never trust the first 15 minutes, so
I see
we'll
the same
see.
thing, bro. Because of these, this is just what my take is. But we've actually never talked about this. Me and mediocre, and myself and him. But I don't do it because these zero commission platforms are dumping. Okay, especially after a long weekend. It's a good way to get yourself hurt heading into the market. I wait. That's funny that you said that. I think I think we're the only ones that do that I've heard of. Maybe the other people do that too, but I've been pushing that for a long time. Usually you get a down pull on all stocks and then it starts to stabilize and start trading. You'll usually get a little bit of consolidation. It's very rare. And AMC's been doing this right away where we get a push right away. The whole market is in a down bleed again, my friends. I'm going to show you that in a minute on my chart. I'm just in the middle of still doing some software stuff behind the scenes here. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you that we are still in a market bleed here. AMC is having a down pull right now. It did go below the VWAP, and that doesn't mean anything. Or actually, do you know what it means? If it was me, I'd be buying more shares, which I probably will be. I'm just waiting for it to get to a lower number. I do have a number in mind right now, and I just want to be very clear on this. These lower numbers, the lower we go, the safer we are. Okay. These institutions are not going to cover at these numbers. Okay. They will not lose this much money. Their positions are way higher. And you have to remember with the amount of shares they own, we're talking so much money. Okay. That will be lost. I just want to be very clear in that. Okay. I've said that always. They would have covered a long time ago. Okay. They're not, they haven't covered at all. Okay. I know we're starting to see this information coming around social media again that they're covering and all this stuff. It's BS. Okay. Very, very straight, a pile of BS. Okay.
See this candle wick here? On a red candle, that's what we want. A huge wick on the bottom. That's a nice candle right there.
Oh, yeah. Are you on the 5? Are you the 5 minute there, brother?
Yeah, I'm on the
Okay.
5 minute. We got volume still.
Yeah.
So it is on a decline, but we'll see what the next candle brings. This could still come up and go higher.
Yeah. And mediocre uses different. I use the 1 minute lots. He uses the 5 minute. Okay. So there's different different times frames for different stuff. Do you want to elaborate on some of that mediocre while I'm just finishing up here? I'm just on breakers right now. Talking to one of the mods there because we're trying to broadcast live over to breakers.
I used the 5 minute
Thank
just
you.
because I want to get in a trade and out of a trade, but I want to make sure that the move I'm getting into is going to go the way that I'm predicting. You know what I mean? Because that's really all you're doing is predicting a move, right? Nobody really knows, but based off of past events, you can kind of predict a move. It's not always 100%, but that's what I do. These volume candles are looking good. This candle is bigger now. So
I'm just gonna hit refresh.
DWAC's gonna run, I think, which is a good thing. It needs it. After that Twitter news,
Yeah.
Elon Musk buying Twitter, this thing took a dump.
Yeah, I noticed that too, my friend. It was pretty stale now.
See
I'm gonna
that?
get into the heat map here in a minute. I'm almost done, my friends. Sorry about this. I usually do this always before market open. It's just that I got caught up in the talking with you guys and mediocre here. I'm off my game a little bit this morning, which is fine. It doesn't mean anything, but I'm almost done. I'm done playing around behind the scenes here. Usually I have this stuff done ahead of time. It's just that I've got myself swamped with a lot of work here. Um, are you on LinkedIn and all that stuff? You're just over on, oh yeah, you're on Twitch, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm
Mediocre.
on Twitch.
Okay. Okay. I was just wondering, on there. I'm on LinkedIn. I'm on Tumblr, Pinterest, all that stuff. I'm not live feeds though, my friends. I just have posts over there. Okay. So,
Yeah,
like we're on like 6, 7 different platforms.
I'm streaming to Twitch now. I stream to
Are you?
Twitch. Yep,
That's cool, bro.
Twitter
That's
and
cool.
YouTube.
Oh, I didn't know I could go over. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know I could. Wow.
See how volume fell off? So that's about as big of a move as we're probably going to get right now. And
I
we
didn't know I
wait.
could launch a TikTok through Pinterest.
The
That's
RSI
freaking
is
dope.
hot. It's overbought, so it's going to wait. Let the RSI come back down before it makes another move.
Yeah.
Just my thoughts.
No, that's good, man. That's good. That's good. Um,
You could go ahead and take over, my friend.
yeah. Okay, brother. I'm coming over there right now. I'm done fooling around here and just get off of that. I was just having okay. So I'm gonna pull your chart off here, brother. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull up my chart here because I'm gonna go into some heat mappage stuff and crack some stuff out here. Oh, I love that how it throws us on the bottom here. So, anyways, Mediocre did cover this. We're at a -2. Damn it, I'm gonna buy some more shares right now. Give me a second. I'm gonna load my broker up.
I gotta go look at that. See where we're at.
Not a problem, buddy. Sorry, Wolfpack. I'm just gonna buy some more shares of AMC. Just give me a second here. I don't know how much I got trapped. I think I only have I buy whatever I can. Okay, I think I got a couple hundred in there right now. I'll do that, and then I'm waiting for some money to get transferred. It takes a day, a day to 2 days, right? So it is what it is, right? I'm going to be buying more. Like I bought like $5,000 a couple of weeks ago there. And I just want to say one thing to everybody out there. It doesn't matter amount the shares you own, okay? You can't afford it, don't over leverage yourself. Don't go take loans out and stuff like that, okay? It's not a good idea to be paying interest on this stuff. This is all about protecting traders. This is why we do this stuff. Credit cards is one of the worst. Taking cash withdrawals out on credit cards to buy shares, not a good idea, okay? It could potentially hurt you guys really bad, okay? I just want to say that I use money that I can afford, leftover dry powder, just leftover money that's sitting there that I can afford to do. Okay. I also do have a registered disability plan because of my neck. I do have $17,000 in there. I might be buying $17,000 worth of AMC in the next couple of weeks here. It could go up higher, but I don't really care the price because I know my positions. Okay. I'm just waiting for authorization from the Canadian government to see if I'm allowed to do that. Okay. So it is in a trader's account, but there's conflict of me transferring to US dollars for some reason. So I have called TD Canada and they're calling me back. Okay. So I'm just going to check my account here. Give me a second, my friends.
So AMC's next support level is $19.69. If you want, you can pull up my chart.
Oh, yeah, for sure, bud. Okay, I'll shut mine off. Pull yours up. It's all about you, brother. Thank you.
So I did readjust this trend line on this wedge, and I set it to the top of this candle. And as you can see, we broke down. But see, we came up here. So this was a test of this support level, and I'm sure there's more back here. A test there, but and some tests back here. Okay, so finally, that support level gave up right here, and bam. Okay, so that's where we're at right now. So we're going to test the support level and see where we're at. That's all I can see right now. Whatever, but if it comes back up, so this was a test of this. This was a test. You can count this as a test now that we broke down. So if we come back up and test this trend line, we could get a breakout. I wouldn't worry too much about it, but I just wanted to point that out. And if you look at the RSI, we're oversold right now. So this RSI is probably going to bounce back up above the 30 mark and try to cool off. Just like DWAC was overbought, this is oversold. So it'll start to cool off and probably trade sideways right here. And that's usually how it happens. Even though we're below the zero line on the MACD, we're spreading out, we crossed. It lost momentum because, well, it's overbought. We're hoping it loses momentum. It didn't necessarily lose momentum, but we got a small candlestick here. So the buying pressure is kind of down on this candle. So this candle's buying pressure, not so high. But this is a 5-minute candlestick, so we got to wait the 5 minutes, see where it ends up. That's all I got. I just want to throw that out there.
Okay, so
I wouldn't worry about it, in my opinion. But if you worry about it, that's on you, I guess. You know,
that's on you. Okay, so Wolfpack. Remember, I said that this is what I'm just a normal person. Okay, so I'm gonna buy 5 shares of AMC because that's draining my US cash account. Right? I'm just a normal person. Like I buy small amounts too. Okay. It kind of I don't like to really. I try to wait till more because it costs me $10 just to do that. That's just how it's set up on my account. It's through a bank. I try not to use these zero commission apps. Okay. I do have some in them, but I trust my bank more because it's insured more. Okay. It's better insurance. So I'm going to purchase it. I will show you. I'll cover my okay, just hang on a second. Oops, I forgot it. See, it sucks the amount. Our dollar just sucks the amount. Just give me a second. I gotta go 4 shares because I don't have enough in there to cover the difference of change over. So I'm like I said, I will do whatever I can to support this. Okay. Just give me a second. Sorry, it's taking me a long time.
Yes.
What's that?
This comment's funny.
Oh, I'm trying to get to the comments here.
You could tell Diaz is from the States.
Yeah.
Uh,
Why?
I'm not going to read it. It's funny, though. I'll
Cam,
tell
I'm
you
glad
later.
you know you're know you put your pants on. What?
Diaz basically said you could buy stock with an EBT card.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's funny. Right on. Good for you. Okay. Wow, the exchange rate just hurting today. Just hang on a second. It's going down. I'm gonna wait a bit. Here we go. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait a bit. Just hang on. I just didn't know it was collapsing. Like, just give me a bit. I want to wait before I do that purchase. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer because I see a sign that it's gonna go lower. What do you think, mediocre, on that? I can see definitely. I think it's gonna go down 5-6% negative today. In the next bit here, we got a ladder attack happening.
Well, go ahead and pull my chart again. They just tested the bottom of my
Yeah,
demand zone box, so we'll watch it.
yeah. See, there you go. See, I just if it taps off that and does a reverse, I'll back up again. Then I'm gonna purchase. If not, I might even just wait till tomorrow until that money clears. I do see a sign. This is just me. I see it going a little bit lower on that. I do watch the charts when I buy. I just don't just buy whenever. Okay. If I get it at this price or 19, I just added to my position for the 5,000. Excuse me. I bought last week twice. Okay. There's about $5,000 worth. So I just wanted to say that I'm hitting it at the same number. Okay. So I'm very transparent. I own it $14 or $8 and some chump change, $14 and some chump change. I bought it $40 that day that we had that rally on our channel. And then I think $19. And then I think $19 again it would be if now, or if I could get a little bit lower, I'm gonna wait. Because if it drops down, that means more shares. Okay. And like I said before, there's going to be a lot of it. It's going to be donated. Okay, I've done it before. I've donated into it. I did. There's some money sitting in there in Have's fund from us. Okay, so and that's another thing too. Those shirts for Have. We're going to be close. Well, I'm not going to close. I'll leave it open. That's up to him if he wants to close that down. There is a donation. There's a link down below. It is strictly donations. None of the money comes to the Wolfpack at all. I want to be very clear on this, though. Anything else in that Wolfpack store is Wolfpack branded merchandise, okay? Owned by the Wolfpack. That shirt, just the shirt alone, is strictly goes to him, okay? There will be a picture taken or a video taken of that invoice mailed to him, and he's going to open up on his end. I've already talked to him. He's going to take a picture, shoot a video of it, okay? Before when he opens it up to say the same amount. That's how real we keep stuff, okay? I just don't want anybody feeling off because of it. If they purchase it, that, oh, hey, I just want to get rid of the speculation if there is any. Okay, I just like to keep things real because it is for a good cause. Like I said, almost everybody knows my wife is a cancer survivor of 12 years. Today she goes in for her blood test to see her blood count or her white cell blood count today and see if there's anything there. Okay, so yeah, it's always in my mind. Okay, that's why it hit me really hard when you talked to me about that. Okay, so I just want you to be very clear on it. Okay, what's bounty I'm talking about here? Kim, I have some. Okay,
Well,
I caught.
it
I caught.
doesn't like the bottom of our box, and I'm happy with that.
It went back up.
Yeah, it bounced off the bottom of my demand zone box.
Okay, so it's going to go back up again.
Well, we don't know that yet, but we'll watch it.
Well, yeah, of course. What, another 5 minutes here, and then we'll know what's going on here. I'm getting clicky fingers here. Sorry about that. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna pull this chart off. Sorry about that, guys. I got clicky fingers here. What's going on? So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait on this, and I'm glad I did. I'm glad I didn't do the purchase right there.
Does everybody
On
see
it.
that? How it is the chart up? You guys see this?
Yeah. We can see that, bro. Nice and
Isn't
clear.
that crazy? How it? That's why I use this. That's why this is why I trade this way. It's kind of predictable, I think.
Yeah, no, dude. I'm catching your system here, man. I like it. I'm glad that you are sharing this with us. I see your channel here that you draw those lines up and it bounces off of this. I've seen it through the day, and I'm definitely learning off of this with you, and just even watching it, and just even if you don't understand this, will pack completely. If you're just getting the basics of watching this stuff, it'll sink in. Okay. What he's explaining is that it tapped off the bottom of a resistance, or support actually, but yeah, and that's what he's explaining to you. And then it possibly could go back up here. It tested. See this one candle? Well, you guys can't see the cursor.
My cursor's
On the,
right
yeah,
here.
yeah. And then at the top, see that candle, that wick way at the top, on the very top, it touched that and went back down. That, and then it ended up on the bottom. Okay. It's theoretically going to do that throughout the day. Okay. So, yeah, I appreciate that. So what I'm going to do is, Wolfpack, I'm going to bring up, I'm just going to look at, some questions here. So yeah, they're all learning. Princess, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. I don't recognize you on here. Right on. Floyd, you guys agree with Bigums? Okay, let's see. Do you guys agree with Bigums? Is gonna be? I'm gonna be on live with Bigums. In the next
Tomorrow
day.
night.
Yeah, tomorrow night. Yeah, we already have the stream link up, so come see it. Come join us. It's gonna be a good show. It might be multiple shows. We don't know yet. He has some good DD there that we're going to go through. I have some questions for him. I got actually a page of questions here for him that will, I just need some stuff to his take on it. I've already got some takes on it from KC Shaw, myself. This is what I just need some verification for some of our squeeze tools. And when I say squeeze tools, we have a bunch of stuff that I've came up with that will help you on the squeeze. Okay. I call them tools in a toolbox. They're not actually physical tools. Okay. I just want to be clear with that. Yeah. So, yeah. Your wife talking to you?
Oh, you can hear?
Yeah. It's okay. Just hit the mute. That's what I do when my dogs bark. It's all good. It's not that loud, brother. Don't worry about it. It's just normal life stuff. That stuff doesn't bother me. Okay. Oh, it's tonight. There we go. Froggy corrected. Bigum's tonight. Boss Blunts Friday. There we go. Tonight. We lost it. I lost a day too. It's tonight. The stream link is up. Okay. So it is tonight. I lost a day. That's what happens when you're busy. Thank you, Froggy. And Froggy, how's it going, brother?
So it just broke the bottom of that demand zone box. So let's see what it does. It just made a new day low. So
Okay.
we'll watch it and see if we get a reversal here.
Wow. It's down 4.19%. Okay, I'm glad I didn't do a purchase there. Something was telling me not to push that send button.
If it
So
breaks just down this trend line here, then we got a little bit of an issue. But other than that, I'm not too worried about it.
an issue as in, did you put any, are you doing anything today? Are you doing any trading on this or
No, no,
anything?
no. I'm not trading this.
Did you trade any, did you put any, are you doing any trading at all today?
I haven't yet. I haven't
Okay.
been paying attention, but
Well,
there's
you
stuff
can if
going
you
off in
want.
my server.
Yeah, well, why don't you just do that, my friend? Because I don't want you losing. I know you're. That's what you do is you trade. So I don't want you to lose potential earnings for the day. I'm gonna go through some charts for about 10 minutes here. If you want, you can just take some time to go do that if you want. They're mediocre. I don't want to take you away from your earnings for the day. That's definitely what I don't want to do. Okay, buddy. So I'm
No,
gonna
you
pull your
got it,
chart off.
buddy. Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna pull your chart
Go
off
for
here,
it.
and yeah, just do whatever you want to do, man. Okay.
Yep.
So I'm going to bring up a chart here, my friends. I'm going to go through some questions first. Vaping on sour diesel. What do I got here? I got some delicious bubba. So it's a mixture of, what is it? Mixture of strawberry, banana, and something else. It's pretty good. Mr. L. Vapage. Froggy's ready to load the boat. I know. I was thinking the same thing. I just wish that would transfer. But I did talk to the wife about that 17 grand, and that's a little chunk, a little bit of money there to put down. We'll see, but I can't touch it until I'm 60 years old. That's the thing. But hey, what a good 60-year-old present, eh? So it is what it is. Now, Cam, here we go. Any chance that the view comments fall behind like this is a oh oh man, it's so hard, bro. With the comments. Oh, I feel for you. I just because you want to answer and just I know. Oh man, that's crazy. I know what you mean, brother. I know what you mean. Okay, so let's jump into some. I'm just gonna stop sharing this. I'm gonna share my own chart here, and we're gonna jump into some stuff that we usually cover. Okay, traders here. We're gonna jump into some heat mappage here. Let's go check the world out here. Okay, so we do see the Middle East. There is the eastern side is all red. Okay, it's not good. Even over here, it's not good. Like that is behind. That's fractionals. Like that's nothing. That's peanuts. So we are definitely. I don't care what what is being said. I'm very strong in this. We are in a market slide. Okay, it's going to continue. We will see obviously some of these stocks pumping. We're going to see a lot of pumps. Yeah, it is what it is, right? 100%, my friends. Just like I said before, and I'll keep on saying it. If you're into positions that you fall behind in, you don't lose your money unless you sell. Okay, markets run in cycles. Okay, and I know, brother Cam, you always say this, but I just want you to be very aware of that. Whoa, look at this! This just flipped red. This whole sector, the motor industry, it just all flipped red except I don't even know what the heck that is. STLA. I don't even know what that is. No idea. So I'm just gonna go. Even though this is green, this stuff it's so minute. It's just barely above. Okay, I just want to be very clear on that. We're going to look at the top gainers for the day. There isn't that many. Holy crow! Usually this is up, like in some up into around the 100% climbs. Like it's bad today, my friends. 100%. The market is bad. Usually these therapeutic stocks, these medicine stocks, anything like that, are up, right? They're easy ones to pump. Okay, I've showed you before. I've given lots of examples on that. So top losers, Canna. Ooh, I got to cover this one. This is a marijuana stock up here. I'm pretty sure it is. It could be wrong. No, it's not. I thought it was that Canna. Oh, this does algorithms. I thought it was that Canna THC Canna. It was a smaller company, but I think they went bankrupt. I didn't even think they were on the stock exchange. I was wrong on this though, so good thing I did look. So this is a supercomputing solutions algorithm development software. Didn't even know about this. I'm glad I looked. That's why I had to look when I mentioned it, because I want to make sure I'm open about that stuff. Okay, so we're gonna jump back over to here. Let's get on to our top list, all stocks. Okay, so charts. Yeah, look at this. Wow. Does anybody want me to pull up GME? I just want to see if the algorithms are the same. I'm on 1 minute chart, AMC. It's identical. Look at this. Look at this, my friends. And I'm doing this for a reason, to show you guys this. Have a look at this. Okay, AMC. Okay, look at the distance between the VWAP and these stocks. Look at this curvature. Okay, this is what I look for. That's algorithm. That's algorithm. Okay, exactly how this runs. These are algorithm waves. Okay, so watch this. Watch. See that? Okay. What that tells me is that when, like I've said this before, but there's a lot of new people coming to the channel. When AMC or GME goes, this could possibly have an effect of both of them going, not at once, like same within the same minute. No, they could have an up pull. One could go before the other. It could take a little bit longer. But I'm very strong in that. Okay, I seen them have an up pull at the 72, and it did take a bunch of other stocks with it. Okay, not into a squeeze area, I'm talking, but it had an up pull. So what that could possibly do, and I hope it happens because it will help me out and you. There's some of these sorry ma shit stocks, or poo poo stocks that sorry mom, poo poo stocks that you're stuck on, okay, that you're in these positions that you're down on, okay, that is your time to dump them. Okay, this was speaking for myself, to get out of these positions. I'm into one stock here, this BES energy stock. It's a lithium battery company, really good company, and I read it, and I liked it. Okay, but it was at $1.80.
You know, retail traders only trade 10% of the market, right? So we can't make that movement that Cam's talking about.
Sorry, buddy.
I said the retail investor can't really move the market because we only trade
No.
like 10%. So the
Yeah.
movement that you're talking about is not retail buying and selling, is what I
No,
was
no,
getting
no,
at.
no, 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 no. Exactly. But I'm stuck in these positions, okay, and I'm waiting to get out of them. So I'm just waiting. Yeah, exactly. That's what. Yes, that's exactly. Thank you, mediocre. So when this happens, it hopefully it'll pull us back up to the, like, if I could even get like 80-90% of my money back, I'm done. I'm out, because I've it's locked me into this position that I can't get out of. Okay, there's 3 stocks of that, and the reason why I share this stuff is because um, I'm not going to sit here and say it's win, 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 win. Okay, it's not true information. Okay, everybody has their downfalls. Okay, when they trade stocks, it's part of trading. It's just, that's why these indicators and all of this stuff makes it a little bit even of a playing. It's not even, it's nowhere frigging near, but it helps you. And if you can read them correctly, that's that transparency issues that we got to deal with. Okay.
Guys, we need your help. Also, we need you guys to do something for us. We need you guys to go and smash the subscribe button and slam that like button on both of our channels. We need you guys to do that.
Yeah.
So if you guys could do that now, we'd appreciate it.
Thank you, brother. And Wolfpack, don't chew the thumb off this time. You guys were with your teeth there, razor teeth there, chewed the thumb right off Mediocre's thumb button there, his thumbs up. Trying to throw some laughs out there this morning.
That's
But look
funny
at this.
stuff.
Look, oh, it is. They started that last week. There's always and everybody coming in here. I used to shout everybody's name out. Everybody out here, I always used to shout people out personally by name. It's gotten so busy that it takes me 10, 15 minutes to go through everybody, but I just want you to know I love you all. Okay. Um, just so you're aware of that. So ticker SST. SST. Somebody wants SS. There's no such thing. I don't trust my channel anymore. They were messing with me the other day, getting me to look up all this stuff. Hey, I'm gonna sick maw after you because I don't know all the ticker symbols because I can pull a stock apart, any stock out there. But the thing is I don't know all the stocks because it's almost impossible. Do you know anybody that knows every ticker symbol out there? I think that's impossible, isn't it?
Yeah, Christy, you're right. It's beat that button, right? Bite Cam's button. Get
Bite
it
my
done.
butt.
Let's go.
Bite my butt.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Make sure you go to Froggy's channel and Pantheon's channel too. Those
Yeah.
good dudes.
Yeah, for sure. Make your rounds. Yeah, and Mediocre's channel too. His link's down below. Down below me here. Okay. I did put that up there. And I did talk to Froggy this morning because a lot of traders are asking, where do we find these links for that stuff? So we're trying to get them available for you on there. Okay.
You like that, Pantheon? Beat that button.
Beat it up.
The Wolfpack made that up, man. They're good people over there, I have to admit. The whole headphone thing and all that, I like it. You
Oh
guys
yeah,
are
I forgot to tell you the headphone thing is Mediocre's handle. I'm trying to find that. Sorry, my friends, I got SST. Don't be messing with me, Mr. Al. He isn't. He's telling me the truth. I'm afraid to type stuff in right now because he was messing with me hard yesterday. I won't even, Miss Harris is on here, so I won't even mention what they were trying to get me, what abbreviations, because I'm in the older generation. So like abbreviations mean nothing. It's really hard to get. Okay. So anyways, ticker symbol SST. It's under the VWAP. See, that's what. Look at this. Remember, we were talking about this morning when stocks open. Like I'm on the 1 minute. That Mediocre does the same thing as me, and I've always talked about this since day one. I wait a bit before I buy this stuff. Look at this. The average person that doesn't know would have bought in on this, and it would have poof. You would have been. Then that's where that depression kicks in. It's like, oh, what did I do? Oh my god. So Mr. Al, I'll look that 1 second, brother. Thank you. Oh yeah, if you guys want to know short interest on stuff, now is your time. Is ask me in the mornings, not on Pantheon. I mean on Froggy's channel. It's kind of hard to answer all the questions. But if you want to know this, if you wanted me to look into our squeeze list,
You want to share my chart again, Cam? For AMC? Look.
just give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second, brother. I'm just gonna go through this right now. And I just gotta. Just want to look at some. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to go through in this one here. I'm just going to do a pullback of 5 minutes on, or 30-minute on here. Sorry. So yeah, this is institution, retail for sure. A retail and then down. I don't see anything on this to have any concerns about institutions. So if people are wondering what I'm doing is I'm looking for institutional pushes, collapses during vice versa. Okay. What I'm looking for is this big push up from the institutions and then it hits open market collapses. That stuff you got to watch out for. That just hits a lot of people. Okay. What it does is takes your money. Okay. So that's what I wanted to look in on this stock. That was the main thing I look for on all stocks. So yeah, that's all I wanted to cover on this. I was looking, whoever asked for this, I'm okay with this stock. 37, 20, it's sitting in an okay area, 26. There's $10 roughly difference. That's not much. Okay. It's already overturned the range. Okay. I want to be very clear on this overturn thing. And that is all total volume. bought and sold. Okay. What I do is go by this market cap, and it'll fluctuate. I've showed that before on it. I'm not going to get too much into that. So yeah, this one's pretty easy to look at and to have a look at to get into.
The chat wants you to pull up GFYM.
No, I'm not doing that. That's a trick. That's a trick. You type it in your chat bar. Look it up. Caught me on that one
uh,
before.
uh,
So, anyways, yeah, they're messing me. They're messing with me. That's what they got me on yesterday, and I was um Cam's too smart for us. Well, they caught me on it yesterday, right? I'm getting mad, right? I'm thinking, what the heck is going on, man? I can't get this. And then they told me what it was. I was like, oh my God. I'm gonna check up one more brother here because I usually go through this in the mornings. Um, but yeah, it's a little game that the mods play with me. And hopefully this so this one right here. Who is this for? Kay? How you doing? CM is just SP for just it has okay, I wanted to check this out. I didn't know that Jeffrey. Jeffrey's one smart Wolfpack member here. So, anyways, I just want to have a look at this pro. I want to see what this is. I don't know this stock, so I like the ones that I don't know because I'm neutral on, right? It's a finance accounting company. Do. Okay, it is what it is, right? It's out of Tampa, Florida. Oh, it's a nice area, actually. Any news? No. They had their Q3 revenue. It went up. They're actually made some money. So I'm going to pull up the chart on this and I'm going to do a pullback of 30, which were, no volume at all on this one. Holy crap. Look at this. Look at this. That's scary. I'd be very concerned on this stock. There's no volume. Ooh, what's that, buddy? Your chair. You need to get some oil on that.
sorry, man.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
It's when I lean back.
No, you
I
can.
was, I was taking a break. Come on, man.
It's all good. No, you can take a break. You can take a break. I just have a loud speakers here. I got Bose, and it was like, holy crow, that was loud. Everybody with the earplugs in that are cruising around forklifts at work and stuff working, you definitely got their attention. It's all good. So yeah, I would watch this one. I would personally stay if it was me, stay out of it, away from this one. There's nothing here. It's stale. It's stale. Look at this. See all this pixeling on the screen? That's low. That's bad. Low volume. Had an up pull here. I don't know that much about had an up pull. I can't seem to get. It won't show me extended hours on this for some reason on this stock. So, anyways, I'm gonna jump off here. I'm giving the floor to my brother. Okay. Hi Connor, how you doing? There's our digital designer for our channel. Shout out to you. Thank you for making all of our software for CS Trades 101. Here you go. Here's your chart there, brother. Take her over.
So let me pull it up again here.
Mm-hmm.
So as you can see, it tested
Oh,
our
I messed up. Sorry,
line here.
Kay. I'll cover it in a minute. Sorry, Kay, I messed up on that. I missed an F in there. I'll cover it in a minute. Go ahead. Oh, it's the same
Yes.
one.
So
Never
it
mind.
tested our trend line and now it broke below it. So let's just watch it. Hopefully it stays right at it and breaks back up above it. That's what I'm watching. But no worries. I just wanted to show you guys what it's looking like, and this is AMC right now. So AMC is not having a good day. It is what it is. But let me zoom out a little bit so I can see what happens
Yeah, buddy.
where I think it might go. We're gonna have to go to a 30-minute time frame or something. All right, so I am gonna drag this box over because this box got to get dragged over. $18.05. All right. So it looks like the top of this box I just drug over. So let me zoom back in over here. Can't see it too much. Nope. I gotta drag in more. Hang on a sec. Yeah, see the top of this box? I just drug that over right here. See where we're at? So hopefully we bounce on this box and come back up. That's what I'm hoping for. So that's looking like 1906. We'll see what happens. But that's what I check for.
Awesome. Good,
So
man.
you can do what you want now. I just
Okay, brother.
this
Thank
this
you.
box came back in place, so I got to get it set up for
Yeah,
farther
go do
out.
your thing. Go do some day trades, man. Go make yourself some cheddar, some Chedsky. Okay,
Things aren't
so I'm
looking
gonna.
things aren't looking good right now. I'm not seeing
I
that.
know, dude. I know. Dude. The whole market's like kind of poo poo today. Um, it is what it is. It is what it is. So I'm going to do a screen share here because I'm gonna go. Doug wants me to cover something here, and I'm gonna jump on in there and cover this for Doug. Doug is a newer member to our channel and has some. Doug is it the yeah? Where is it, Doug? I'm trying to find it. I got that one, Warren. Thank you. Oh, that one ticker for K is coming up as the one I just covered. It's coming up as the same thing. Rolling on the K, rolling on the floor, laughing. There is actually a ticker on it. Ha! So it didn't. It was funny, but it worked out. There's a ticker on it. So you got to come up with something better than that, guys. Okay, I'm trying to find this. Okay, I can't. Sorry, my friends. I'm trying to go through this. Do you want to throw? Do you want to throw that ticker, Doug? Do you want to throw it back up again, please? And I will. I'm just going to jump into this one here on the 1 and then the 5. Oh yeah, it's getting hammered. Oh, look at this. This is computer trading here going on, guys. Right here. That's what that is. That's not normal. I always tell you guys that that's not normal. There's no way that these. There's no way that that can be even like that with the test limits, the pullbacks and stuff. There would be wicks all the way up here and stuff. That's not normal. 100%. I do want to find out what that is one day. Nobody knows. I know that for a fact. There's speculation, but nobody actually knows what that is. I know it's computer. It's definitely a
It's the
computer.
algorithm guy.
Well, I know that, but I'm just saying that
Bar
I've
coded. They're just trying to hold that price. That's it.
yeah, exactly. They're holding it, but I want to know what like more into it. I know it is the
Like
algorithm for sure.
who's doing it exactly?
Yeah, exactly. Like what is it? Like exactly.
I
And
wanna I wanna know the same question, right? I wanna know like who who's controlling the algorithms market wide.
mhm, that's right. And I know that there's videos like CSI put one out there, but that's not the full answer on it. That's just finding thing. That's not what I'm after. I'm after more than that. Okay. And nobody's came up with that yet. It's very secret information. Okay. Um,
Jeffrey, I would say it's got many support levels it has to break through before it gets there. So I'm not gonna say that, you know what I mean? But we'll take it one support level at a time. That's all I can tell you, buddy.
yeah. Oh yeah. This is the question that you're asking. There you go. Just so everybody can see that.
Yeah.
Drop to the 14th. What do you think, mediocre? He's asking you. Did you already answer that one?
Yeah, I think it's got
Okay,
many
sorry,
support
buddy.
levels above that it has to get to.
Yeah. Hey, man, if it drops to that, oh, load the boat right
But
up.
but I don't think anybody should be panicking right now and getting all
No,
nervous and stuff like that. I mean, how many times has this happened, right? I have faith in you. You should have faith in me by now. That's, you know. No. I agree with you, Jeffrey. I mean, there's a possibility, right?
uh-huh.
I said 18, 16, because I think it has solid support there. But 20 was looking solid until today. So things change, you know what I mean? I don't know. It depends on how much ammunition they put into it. I don't put anything past them, but I don't think people should panic either.
No, no. And then Pantheon. Oh, oops, wrong one.
Uh,
Sorry, brother. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah. So there's I've been through this so many times. Since I've been on this play. I'm kind of used to it. Okay. I know a lot of you traders are new to this, and you get scared, panicky. It's normal trading with the AMC. This is normal. Okay. I think the most days we had was 40 some odd, 30, 40 days red. That was stressful. Okay. That was back a while ago. That was yeah, that was a little bit. I'm so used to it that I guess I got a wall up, and I recommend the same. Like, just don't try not to do that. Try not to put fear and emotions into it. Okay. Um,
I'm just going to say this. There's a lot of people, and I'm going to be vague.
Go
There's
ahead.
a lot of people like me who are green on AMC still, right? Who haven't taken profits, and they're not going to. They're gonna. They're just waiting for the right time. So as long as the bottom doesn't fall out, and I don't think it's going to, AMC is, in my eyes, a solid play. I mean, I don't care if you're stuck at $60. If the bottom doesn't fall out, there's a chance it's going to go back there. So, I mean, I'm not telling anybody anything. I'm not a financial advisor at all. I'm just saying, in general, I'm comfortable holding my position, and that's all I'm going to say.
Same here. I've never sold one AMC share, um, and I do say it, and I say I wish I would have. Because I should have bought back in when I was, like I said it before, at 100,000, and I was 100,000 ahead. I should have sold it and bought back in like way more shares, but I didn't. Nobody knew at that time, right?
Yeah,
Um,
we all thought it was going to continue the uptrend, right? I didn't
yeah,
sell either, right? I was at $72 and I had some bank in my account, but
yeah,
we didn't, right? For
that's true.
the, just because we didn't think it was time. The short interest was not really, it was still there.
Yeah. Just give me a second. I'm just gonna look up something here for. The weird thing is, every time I type something in my computer, my volume on my computer cranks full. I don't know what the hell is wrong with that. Have you ever had that issue before, mediocre? Where you type in and all of a sudden your volume on your computer goes wide open. I've never had that issue. I don't know what
No,
that is.
I don't
Okay,
want you
so
to have
yeah,
issues though.
yeah. I don't know. I've had that issue for a while, so that's why So I just want I'm going to share this um for I think it was Doug that wanted this. Okay, I'm going to share this one screen here. This is a ticker symbol HOFV Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment. I think it is the full ETM. Yeah. Co. Never heard of this one before either. They traded at $5.06. I love these. Keep these coming, my friends. The ones that I've never heard of. Um, I love, like I said before, I love jumping into stuff that I'm neutral on. It just, you can learn a lot on a stock like that. There's low volume in this for sure. I'm on the 1 minute. I'm gonna go to 30 here. Um, yeah, like, okay, you get a push up in retail, collapse in retail, but I don't see any pushes in institution. That's there. It's past two things that I don't mind. Let's do the one. Let's do year to date. me a second here. Okay, it was up at $7. That's where that $7 I seen that up on the quotes here. I seen this $5 range right here. So it has traded up in these lower levels. So this is when it first started. Okay, this is normal. Okay, this is good education here. I want to be very, this is just my opinion on this. I've seen this happen so many times. It happened with Loop Energy out of Chilliwack, British Columbia. It's a hydrofuel company, Hydro Energy, which is water, produces water. Okay. So water converted to fuel. Okay. So this usually happens when a stock enters the market. They'll put it at a certain price. Okay. Loop Energy started around the $15-$16 range. Okay. And then the CEO, oh, yeah, my stock's worth that. It doesn't matter what the company says. Okay. Be very careful. There's a couple gold mines in Canada that are opening up, BC that are opening up. I have an inside on. Okay. They're going to be hitting the lit market. Okay. I do have some information on I hear a lot of stuff that not that many people know. Okay. These are going to be hitting the market, okay, as new ticker symbols. Okay, there's a reason why I don't broadcast that stuff. Okay, I don't want you guys to get hurt. Okay, majority of these stocks, when they hit the market, they will pull down. The market will find the price. Okay, no human can say this is what my stock is worth. It's going to be this. You don't believe that stuff right away. Don't believe these CEOs. Okay, they're pumping their own stock. Okay, there's a lot of people that fall for that stuff. Okay, they'll and it hurts a lot of people. Look at this knife edge here. Look at that. Look at the test zone. Okay, had a pullback. Look at this knife edge. You know how many people bought into this? That were waiting for this stock to come into the market and that are hurt. That are holding this $12 range. Now it's trading. Now it's what is it trading at? $1? Like that's a huge friggin' drop. They have like 98% of their money's lost. Like it's huge, right? I'm in one of those plays like that. Okay. So I know about that straight up. So this is a good education tool here. Whoever brought this up on here, I'm glad that I seen that. I'm going to bring it back up again. I wish there was more of this. So what it happens is it's painful as heck. You put, who knows how much money you put in this. Maybe somebody told you it was an awesome play. You're going to make tons of money on it. Okay. It falls and then it bleeds. It's just this painful time with this stock. And then you might have a recovery on here. It went up to the $12 earnings, right? It had a bit of up. The next earnings, nothing. Okay. So this thing's like on the hurt, this stock. These stocks like this could potentially become delisted. Okay. I'm on a stock right now, this Fuse Cobalt thing out of Canada. Anything that's tied into the government, stay the hell out of this. That's not financial advice. I'm just telling you from my personal experience. I stay the heck out of these stocks. If it's involved with the government, I stay out of them. I learned my lesson with this. Okay. You can get stung. Okay. So, anyways, we're going to have to get you some oil for that chair.
Sorry, dude.
It's all good. It's all good. It's all good.
Let's
So,
get that
anyway,
leg back.
I'm going to look down at the bottom here. I do not play puts or options. Doge cult member. Welcome to the channel. I know you're newer to our channel. I have just seen you on here in the last little bit. I just seen you actually today. Okay. I just want to bring this up because I can't. Would you buy puts after a pump to capitalize on the dump? That would be for mediocre. That is out of my forte.
I mean, if you know where the top is, right? You can make money both ways. You just gotta know when to do it.
Yeah.
But for AMC, if you do that, you're hurting other people on, going up, the people who are still in it. Just so you're aware of that.
This is from our mod. Stop moving in the chair. She's bugging me because she has headphones in right now. She's just messing with you. We're gonna get him some oil for his chair. He needs a good lube job.
This chair is old.
Yeah. Hey, we got to get you a game. Oh yeah, your office is upstairs, isn't it? You were saying, right?
Yeah, I got a nicer chair up there. This is my
Yeah.
old office chair. I'm just kind of,
It's all
I
good.
mean, I got a little small office in the corner in my dining room, and that's kind of where I'm at. The wifey's looking at me.
Yeah, not a problem. Not she's looking at you right now. She's probably listening to you on the TV out there. I'm glad that our wives are getting more involved in what we're doing, man. I actually, for the first time in history, had my wife turn to me this morning when I woke because she fell asleep on the couch, or actually she was still up. It was weird. She was up watching TV still when I got up this morning at 4:30. Um, well, actually, I got up at 4. I messed up. I set it for 4:30 and I hit 2 alarms at once. I don't know what it was. I was pretty tired last. Um, oh, Christy's just bugging you. He knows that. So, but anyways, my wife turned to me this morning and said, Cameron, I wish you good luck this morning on your stream with your stocks. I was like, what? What? Okay, whoa, what'd you just say? It was weird. It was weird. Not that she doesn't support everything I do, but that was weird. Like she's actually integrating into what I do. That's like me asking about her hair. Like, you know what I mean? So that's awesome. That's awesome. So it is what it is. I just wanted to say that we're noticing that from both of our wives. It's instead of pushing apart, it's actually bringing closer together, which is beautiful stuff. So I know it's hard because they don't understand this stuff, and they just see some of us. What we see is making money and losing money. Like my wife was so mad that I did not sell it. That when we had 100,000 in there, oh, she was fuming at me. But it is what it is. I tried to explain it to her and she still doesn't get it. She still wants me to sell when we have 100 grand, that she wants me to sell it all. Still, she says, when it gets back up, then I'm trying to, and then I finally had to talk. She's okay. You do whatever you want. She goes, but don't come crying to me if you lose money. So it is what it is. She just doesn't understand it, right? She just knows that's a lot of money for us. So that would definitely set our retirement up better because we're already both of us are already retired, right? So
My wife's kind of the same way, but you know, she they don't understand. They can't read a
no,
chart, and so for a few months now, I was explaining to her what was going to happen, and all my kids are in this as well. And so, like my daughter's like, yeah, okay, whatever. And then the turnaround happened, and my daughter's like, how did you know that? And I've been trying to teach you idiots. Now, I'm not calling them really idiots, but I'm just saying like I've
no,
been
it's a
trying
slang
to teach
term.
freaking
Yeah,
people to pay attention to what I'm telling you, and I'll show you, and you could look at it yourself, right? But they don't got time for that. Some people just don't got time to learn. You know,
yeah,
it's
that's right. Okay, this is due to my situation. I have no retirement help. There's a lot of us in that situation. My retirement was forced on me with a bad motor vehicle accident that left me paralyzed. And thank God I could walk. Thank God. I was in a wheelchair for a while, paralyzed. So I got my feeling back. So that's why I have a lot of empathy and feelings for people that are. You'll meet my buddy that's he's a paraplegic or yeah, pair. He comes and visits me once in a while. His name's Ryan. He does watch this. That happened when we were kids. We were working in a sawmill welding. I did actually took that day off of work. I wasn't feeling well, and that day he was up on the roof of the sawmill pulling some steel cladding off. It's the steel roof, prying it off with a pry bar. The pry bar slipped, and back then we didn't wear fall arrests and stuff. We were young kids. There was just before WCB really enforced this stuff. Well, that's workers' compensation. And what happened was he fell, and he fell like I don't even know the height he fell, but he was paralyzed. It severed his spinal cord in his back, and he can't walk. He was instantly paralyzed. So he was only 22 years old. You'll meet Ryan. I'm just telling you guys this stuff. This guy is one of the national champions for racquetball. He plays rugby in his wheelchair. He has one of these crazy wheelchairs that's reinforced. And that's who I started welding with. Okay. So I just wanted to tell you guys that stuff. Um, he's on my Facebook. I talked to him. We just went for, I mentioned it at the channel. We went for, this was a couple of weeks ago, went for lunch. I have not seen him in 20 years. Okay. We lost touch. And I just wanted to say that he is so positive on this stuff. Um, he's the type of guy that when you push him, he smacks your hand away. I got it. Like, you know what I mean? And it just, he just, he gives me such inspiration on stuff like that. He knows what I went through too. Like we can just, I do have paralysis with my fingers. I have problems trying to pull my socks on and stuff. I have with my hand, I have to hook it on, and pull it up. But thank God that's nothing. I don't complain about it. That's why I do have my RV is set up the way it is. I do have issues with lowering it. I can't wind the jacks and stuff. So that's why everything's electric. Um, and a lot of my friends bug me about that stuff, which I love getting bugged about that stuff. So it is what it is. I don't want people to feel sorry for me. That's the one thing I don't want. That's why I proved it back and I went back to welding and I did a damn good job at it. I was told I could never do my job again in my life. And I proved them wrong, right? I did it. I went back to work, for 2.5 months. I did get laid off because I was on YouTube. I got fired because I took a day off and went on YouTube and I got laid off because of it, but it doesn't matter. It got me more of a drive to get on here with you guys and kick this thing out of the park. So it is what it is. And
To Princess's question, I kind of have a little answer for
yes,
her.
go ahead.
My answer is I'm not a financial advisor, but I think if you're hanging around in here, you can learn to help yourself protect your retirement. I would think that would kind of be the case.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Yes, I agree with you. I agree with you. Yeah, you'll gain little bits of everything. I know we're kind of fast, especially me. I'm all over the place with stuff, and even mediocres. Like holy crow, I thought I had ADD, and you're all over the place. Like you're like a rocket. Yeah, I've always been like that, but I'm 100 times more slower than I'm more mellow than I was when I was younger. I do have problems with that. I know it's time. It's hard for you guys to catch the play. Um, so yeah, anyways, it is what it is. You'll catch my go here. I'm just like that. It is. And that's why that Sheldon, that young gentleman that was on CSI's channel, he had it really bad and I could relate to him. And that's why whenever he needs help, I can help him with that stuff, right? Even though I'm not fully, but you can channel it. Okay. At that age, you don't know. You're just all over if you can channel it into something like my welding career, I went to school and I succeeded to one of the best. Okay. You can channel that energy into something. If you can master that, you got the world in your hand. Okay. I'm just telling you that right now. And yeah, I just wanted to tell you, I've mentioned this a couple times, but there's a lot of people on my channel. There's war vets. I'm not going to mention names that have suffered some injuries from war. They're really well respected on our channel. We have a lot of people on here that have disabilities, and I'm glad that they came to our channel. A lot of them come here because they've heard my story. I can relate to some of them, but I just want you to know that they're normal people, and I know you guys know that. But really think about that, okay? And a lot of us don't want you guys to feel sorry for us, okay? It's not like that. That's not why we talk about this stuff. It's to make you aware so you don't do that, okay? So I'm going to leave it at that. And did you want to cover anything else, brother? It's up to you. Questions? Do you guys, my 30% AEI, I broke resistance.
Yep, we did. We broke resistance. I was just going to bring that up.
Okay, go ahead. Do you want to bring that up?
Yeah, go ahead. Bring up my chart.
Okay. It's all about you, brother. I'll stop sharing here and I'll bring your chart up.
I think I'm still sharing the chart.
Go ahead, brother. Yeah, go ahead. That's yours. Yeah.
So let me get a bigger view of it so you can see more. So right here is our box, our demand zone box here. So this is basically supply now because we broke out of it heading down. This is our demand box. and we broke into this box down here. So I'll zoom out a little bit more so we can see it a little better. But
Mhm. I'm just gonna go get a coffee. The floor is yours, bro. Hopefully, you
go
got
for
enough
it.
material to last 2 minutes. I'm
No, I
just
do.
fun.
I gotta sit up here so I can get a good view so you can see the next support level that I see. I'm gonna go to the hourly chart. I don't want to do that. Well, can't really see it, but you have to look at it from this point of view. So it looks like this line down here is like 1822. It looks like somewhere around there that this can possibly come down to. Is it going to happen? I don't know. It could stop midway. I don't know, but it's definitely going to be in this box. It's looking like so. We'll have to keep an eye on this box, and I'm actually going to fix the color on that box because it's bothering me that it's not green, the proper green. That's the problem with these boxes. Sometimes I forget to complete what I'm doing. There. So that's what we're looking at. And we're in this box now, as you can see. You'll be able to see it better when I come over here. But we're right at the top of it. It could turn around, bounce right back up, get back over this line, and back into this uh, demand zone box here. We'll see what happens. But that's where we're at. So I just wanted to bring that up so people could see exactly what I'm looking at. But yeah, they're definitely hitting it today. They're not they're not really messing around. They're trying to, but I think the whole market's coming down, which I didn't really look at yet. We could go look at that, but that's what I check. Look at that. Down. It broke below the 50% fib line on the SPY. So that tells me we're probably going down to the bottom of this box, maybe. $442.56 area. Possible. You know, well, probably this low here. 443.47 it'll probably come down to. So midway between here and there, but who knows? But yeah, it broke below this 50% fib line. You know, who knows? It could just turn around, come right back up to this fib line. I don't know. Right? I just watching. I'm just saying that's a possibility. So this right now is dragging everything down. You know, that's pretty much what happens, and people don't realize that it kind of correlates with everything. And right now, it ain't looking good because we're about to cross the zero line on the MACD, heading down. Our RSI is pointing down. So that's pretty much what I got, for that. So we'll go back to the
Perfect
five
timing.
minute.
Yeah, go check her out. Let's see.
Yeah, see? So we already got a green candle trying to come back. Hopefully it pushes back up to this fib line and we ride here for a little bit. I don't really want to see the market crash any more than where it's at. This is kind of a good buy-in to go long, but we're probably going to trade here for a while the way the economy is. I'm speculating, but that's what I think.
Okay.
So that's pretty much what I got, man.
Okay, brother. Thank you very much. Wow. Look at this AMC here. I'm going to pull up this chart and then we're going to leave it at that for the day. What time is it? Yeah, we're going to give a little bit of a break here for the Wolfpack mods because we do have a test run on our server. At 9 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. Mediocre, you can join in on that. It's up to you. You don't need to. What we're doing is just coming on there. We're not talking about anything, just so Wolfpack members know. We're not disclosing and we're not talking about any personal information like anything to do with Squeeze. We're not learning anything on there. All it is a test run, saying hi to the new members, getting everybody on the page because that's what we do. We just keep everything tuned up on my channel. So that's what it is. You can join from inside the server or you can join through your email push. Okay. Yeah. So we'll just keep it like that. I'm going to do a screen share here. I'm just going to go into AMC here to do I got everything running? Okay, good. We're good. Okay, so AMC here, we're at 19. Whoa, it went down quite a bit. I was going to say $19. So we're on the 1 day. We're going to go back to the 1 minute and then 5. I'm going to pull this. Yeah, we did touch off that bottom there. Hey, 1888. Wow. I'm glad that I didn't purchase on that. I just had a weird feeling not to buy at that level. And that was up here, my friends. That was at this level right up here. Look how much it's gone down. I think we're going to have a bit of a go up here though, on that. So I'm actually going to hold over to tomorrow. I do really see we're going to test out that 18. Like I said, that is not 100% sure. That's my opinion. Okay. What I see.
I don't know anything. I'm just here visiting. You know what I mean?
Same
I'm
here.
lost in space.
Yeah. Exactly. Like I said, there's nothing to be worried about on this. It just gives us, it's giving what it is doing. It's giving, I know, of course, it doesn't know that. But the way I look at it, Wolfpack, is giving a lot of people that cannot afford to buy these shares at a higher number to give a chance to get in on this play. Okay. That's the way I look at it. And that's I've always looked at it that way when it comes to these lower levels. It doesn't mean anything. This doesn't mean anything when it going down low. Even if it goes down, I don't know. I won't even speculate on a low price like that because that's just me. I don't want to speculate because that's just me making up a number. But yeah, if it does go any lower on that aspect, it doesn't change anything. When this thing goes, it's going to go. It can go at any rate and at any number. It doesn't go off of that. It doesn't matter if it's down, say, at $15. It doesn't matter if it's at 18, 20, 30, 60, 70. When it wants to rip, it's going to go. Okay. There's no stopping it. I just want to be very clear on that. Every stock squeeze is like that in history. When she goes, there's no stopping it. Okay. They can try.
And the other thing too is you're always going to have day traders. So don't even let day traders bother you. Just don't even think about them.
That's right.
You know?
Okay, Wolfpack, I'm just going to check the comments here. Down to the bottom here. Whoa, we got a lot. Oh, Sundial. Yes, I will cover Sundial right now for you. I can do that. I can do that. It's on our list. Of course it is. Down 8%. Damn, I feel so sorry for this stock and you guys, my friends. Whoa. Just hang on a second. This is the same as AMC. Look at this. Look at the chart. Okay, look at the gap up. Not talking price here. Look at this and then Sundial. Where is it? Right there. Look at that. The algorithm. It's a little bit off, but it's pretty close. No, never mind. It is close near the bottom here, but it's quite a bit different on the up pull. I just thought I seen something. Sorry, my friends. I'm just used to looking at that stuff. I can spot that from a mile away. Okay, let's go back to Sundial for you, my friends. Good. So Sundial's at 58 cents, 8.11%. I am going to hit the refresh on that to make sure we got the newest on that. Okay, it did change a bit. It's 8.04. Okay, so this totally sucks. Totally sucks because this stock is worth way more than this. I feel sorry for you guys on this. I want you all to make tons of money. I know some people did make money when it went back up to the higher level there. When it went, what did it go? 70 some odd cents. Yeah. So I know some people that did sell out their positions on this and buy into EMC, which is fine, right? I've had a lot of questions on that, and that is up to you guys what you do on that. Personally, I've closed a lot of my positions just to get in more on AMC. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. Stefan, I can't read this. I have to read this. Okay, algos are highly illegal now. How is the entire market trading on algos? Well, it has to, my friend. Depends on what aspect the algorithms you algorithms are used to move everything. It all runs off.
Algorithms are not illegal either. That's part of the problem.
Yeah.
you can create your own algorithm on TradingView, and so they're not really illegal. They should be illegal. I agree with you, but um, I believe that the algorithms that are running are market manipulation,
For
in my
sure.
opinion.
They
So,
are. They are 100%. And you nailed that. Algorithms, we kind of need them in a way. Well, but I know what you're saying. They should be locked up where nobody can mess with them and nobody can read them. That's the problem. They need to develop something um, that is untamperable. You can't tamper with it. Okay, that's the
so,
problem. Go ahead.
so last night I was in Ape Radio, and we were discussing, and the one wanted to read um, a uh, document. It was a law document, which I have. I'll share it with you, Cam, because I asked him to
Yeah,
send it to me.
yeah, for sure.
But before he can share it, um, he had to go take out his dog or something, and he didn't want to miss what everybody was talking about. So while he was gone, I spoke and I talked about um, basically how the SEC is funded by the Congress, and Congress uh, underfunds them and controls them, and blah blah blah, and that's how the market gets away with what they do. It's a big sham, in my opinion. It's not a free and fair market system. And so we were talking about that. And wouldn't you know, when the one came back and read that, guess what it was about? Exactly what I said, and how the Congress controls the SEC and funds the SEC and all that. So I'll pass that information over to you. But it was
Dude, I
kind of
appreciate
funny
that.
how we were talking about it prior, and I didn't. We nobody knew what he was going to come and read. You know what I mean? It's just it's interesting. That's all I'm trying to say. But shout out to Ape Radio, the one and all them guys. They're awesome.
Okay, that's awesome. That's awesome. Ape Radio. Sorry, I was sharing something here. I was on the server. Sorry about that, guys. I was actually looking something up on the server there. So, yeah, I was trying to do a double whammy here. I was going to share some stuff with you, but it's I don't have time to. So, anyways, brother, sorry to black you out on the screen there on the screen share. What I wanted to talk about is I really appreciate if you could share that to me. I can't make any comment on it until I actually hear it. Ape Radio, yes, I was on there the other day. Good group of people. And I just wanted to say, Wolfpack, we're going to wrap this right now. Thank you for all the new members coming on in. I have got a couple emails on that, and I just wanted to say that I love you lots, Wolfpack. And I did get, like I said, emails. We're going to try to get some more people hooked up on here. Um, and yeah, you can have a close on this mediocre about your Discord and self promotion stuff if you want.
I want to thank everybody for coming in and watching the stream and all that stuff. I appreciate you, and I know Cam appreciates you. And you know, if you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button. You know, beat the subscribe button, beat the like button, and join the Discord. There's a Discord link on the YouTube channel. Also, you can get it from one of the mods. You know, follow me on Twitter, whatever you got to do. But I appreciate all of you, and I'll see y'all later. Thank you, Cam.
Not a problem, brother. Okay, same goes out to all my mods there, and thanks, Ms. Harris, for coming over here and spending your time. This is totally volunteer stuff for all the mods. I don't know if people are aware of that. Um, they the only thing they get is time to hang out with us. It's all dedication on their part. A lot of them get up very early. I know my mods do, and Miss Harris, I can't even believe you're up this early over here. Um, Thank you. Um, like I said, we've started a little bit earlier. We're about an hour earlier, not on the channel, but we're going behind the scenes more and discussing stuff, just because we're trying to get everything answered for you guys and any concerns. if there is any, to try to address them more often. If I did not cover any of your ticker symbols this morning, I'm sorry for that. Like I said, we're really busy. But if you do want your questions answered and you're on the server, that's the perks of it. Just send me a private message, okay? And I will answer it as best as I can. And it might take me a day to get to that. If not, just come on here tomorrow and hit up some capitals. But just watch when you're on, if you're on the other channel, if you hit up capitals. Miss Harris, I did talk to her about that because she was wondering, well, why are they all capitalizing? That's our code on our channel that if I miss something, like a sticker symbol or a question, capitals, that's kind of like, Cameron, you've missed it once. Okay. So that's just our lingo back and forth. So anyways, Wolfpack, love you. And I'll see you on our server at this specific time, 9 o'clock. I will be there. It's just a test run. We're not talking about anything in particular, but peace.
Thanks, Mods. Have a good day. Peace.
Oops.